I caused a lot of stress today, but you'd never know it watching this dance. They're amazing.
Some days feel like a perpetual loop of dust.
I feel bad that I had to tell Michelle and Eldon Anthony's secret. But right now, the most important thing is making it through this qualifier.
Today has been incredibly stressful. Money problems, missing dance captain, botched registration. But if we pull this off, we'll live to fight another day.